This video will show you how to use the JetPhone application on a Mac. Open the JetPhone application and enter in the login details provided to you by Jet Interactive. You can choose to save these details and to log in automatically in future. To place a call, type in the number you wish to dial and click the green phone to place the call. To warm transfer this call, press the transfer button. Type in the number or extension you need to transfer to and select Call First. When both calls are established, you can select the transfer button to warm transfer. To blind transfer, select the transfer icon, type in the number or extension you need to transfer to and select Transfer Now. To create a conference, place the first call on hold and dial the number or extension you will be conferencing in. To merge, select More Options and click Merge Calls. You can then choose to hang up an individual call or split the calls to talk to each person privately.